Looking for the best digital clamp meters in 2026? In this video, we'll explore top clamp meters for measuring electrical current, voltage, resistance, and more without disconnecting wires. Let's find the right digital clamp meter for your work, whether you're a professional electrician, technician, or DIY user. Starting at number 1. Fluke T Plus PRO Electrical Tester. The Fluke Electrical Tester is a compact and efficient device powered by alkaline batteries, weighing only 0.28 kilograms. It features an automatic measurement capability for both AC and DC volts, ensuring precise digital resolution. The tester is designed for easy and accurate open-jaw current measurement and includes a continuity beeper for added functionality. Its sleek design allows for neat probe storage, and the detachable slim reach probe tips are tailored to meet national electrical standards. Additionally, the test leads are compatible with Fluke accessory test clips, and the device is equipped with an auto-off mode to help conserve battery life. The tester's vibrant yellow color makes it easily identifiable in any toolkit. Number 2. UEI DL379B Digital Clamp. The UEI Test Instruments DL379B is an industrial-grade clamp meter designed for enhanced capabilities in various industrial settings. It is battery-powered and features a sleek black design, weighing only 21.27 grams. This clamp meter can measure AC amps, AC DC volts, AC microamps, up to 2000 A, capacitance, up to 2000 F, frequency, duty cycle, diode testing, temperature, continuity, and resistance, up to 40 M. Safety is a priority with the DL379B, which boasts a CAT 300V and CAT 600V safety rating, along with non-contact voltage detection to identify live lines and input jack locks to prevent fuse blowouts. The user-friendly design includes a backlit dual display, magnetic mount for hands-free operation, work light for illuminating dark areas, and convenient test lead storage. Additional features such as minute, max recording, auto power off to conserve battery life, and a low battery indicator enhance its functionality. The complete kit comes with test leads, a K-type temperature probe, 2 AAA batteries, and a zippered pouch for easy transport. Furthermore, the DL379B is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, redeemable in the US. Number 3. ASEGMET Digital Tape Measure. The ASEGMET DTX10 digital measuring tape by ASEGMET is designed for unparalleled precision, utilizing patented AccuMeasure technology to deliver accuracy within plus or minus 1/32 second. It features a dual measuring system, allowing users to seamlessly switch between tape and laser measurements, with the laser mode extending up to 330 feet, making it ideal for both close and distant tasks. The device automatically calculates area, volume, indirect horizontal distance, and height, eliminating the need for manual calculations and enhancing efficiency in complex projects. Its innovative functions include zeroing measurements at any point and a rear reference for internal measurements, complemented by a green laser line for clear visual guides. The user-friendly color display offers customizable settings, while the SmartLife app enables real-time data synchronization and organization of measurement tasks. Furthermore, the DTX10 is backed by a 24-month warranty and lifetime professional technical support, ensuring reliable service for all user concerns. Number 4. Klein Tools CL490 AC DC Digital Clamp Meter. The Klein Tools Dual Display Clamp Meter is a versatile and high-visibility tool designed for accurate measurements in various environments. It features a battery-powered design with a striking orange and black color scheme, and its dimensions are 9.17 by 3.52 by 1.74 inches. This clamp meter boasts dual screens, allowing for easy viewing from multiple angles, and can measure AC DC current, AC DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, duty cycle, DC microamps, diode tests, and capacitance using test leads. Additionally, it can measure temperature via a thermocouple. The device is equipped with a backlit reverse contrast LCD for enhanced visibility and clarity in data presentation, while its auto-ranging and true root mean squared (TRMS) technology ensures precise measurements. For added convenience, the clamp meter includes a test lead holder on the back and an optional magnetic hanger for hands-free operation, making it a practical tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 5. Klein Tools Clamp Meter. The Klein Tools Clamp Meter is a battery-powered device designed for high-voltage applications, capable of measuring DC voltage up to 2000 V, making it suitable for power distribution networks, solar panel installations, and wind turbine systems. It features a current range of up to 2000 amps for both AC, DC and inrush current measurements, catering to high-power industrial and renewable energy needs. With professional TRMS accuracy, the auto-ranging true root mean squared technology ensures precise measurements even on complex waveforms and nonlinear loads in challenging environments. The meter boasts superior visibility with a backlit dial and a reverse contrast LCD display, which includes an integrated work light for clear readings in any lighting condition. Additionally, its industrial-grade construction is rated IP40, Cat3 2000V, Cat4 600V, and has a 2-meter drop rating, ensuring durability in harsh conditions found in power distribution facilities, solar farms, and high-voltage commercial installations. Thanks for watching. All product links for your purchase are available in the video description. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides.